that thousands are without power here in Lee County after an EF2 tornado hit this area. 118-mile-per-hour winds, as well as the tornado was on the ground for about 2 miles. Now, we've heard of stories from people who were trapped inside their homes, having to have firefighters come and get them out of being trapped in homes. Glass was flying everywhere. One man we spoke with even said he lost his dog and he's still looking for his dog at this current moment. But we do know right now we're seeing a bunch of power crews in this area trying to restore power to the people, the thousands who have lost power in here. But complete devastation here, cars damaged, homes completely obliterated. You can see just a field of just complete debris, just devastation here in Fort Myers, Florida.